Here he comes. Oh. Are you here to steal another pecan? Yep, there you go. Oh, you're going to use me to get down, huh?
Nope.
Where are you going? You going to go hide the pecan? Huh?
No, but I don't get these hippies running around in these ridiculous stupid.
There he is.
That would probably work.
Where are you going? Oh, into the utility room. Oh, you're hiding him in shoes today? Are the kids going to have nice surprises? Huh? Go ahead, hide him in the shoes. What'd you do with all the pecans this morning? Oh, we're going to go in Charlie's room? Alright, go hide it. I won't disturb you.